the National Geographic Earth Science activity.
Right. We'll be doing the volcano portion of it today.
Yes.
All right.
And on the last video, you know we did the gold digging one. Now we're going to the volcano. That sounds. Now I'm going to introduce all of these people. Okay, so my name is Henry. This is Willow. This is Arrow, and this is my mom. So, Mom, tell us what's the first step we're going to do.
So the first step is we're going to build the mold for the volcano. So can you get that together? Where's the... Yep, get that out. Let's build the mold that came with the kit.
So, what you will need from the kit is the mold. At the start, you need the mold for this science experiment, this sticky thing, the plastic clears, and that's from the science. Now you want what you need that is
Not included.
not included, or is scissors to cut the plastic layers. This
1 cup of water
1 cup of water
that can be thrown away.
that a disposable bowl.
Right. Okay, now that we've got our mold ready, we'll set that to the side. We will cut our volcano plaster.
Yes, plastic layers.
So we're going to pour our water in first. And how much water do we have?
1 cup.
1 cup of water.
So you need 1 cup of water.
Okay. And we're going to slowly add in the plaster while Annabelle mixes. Keep on stirring. Mixing, 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 mixing.
You might have to do a time warp on this.
Woof! Smoke.
Whoa.
I was watching.
Keep it under control. Let me do it just for a minute.
Okay.
Go in here.
Ooh.
It's dusty.
There's smoke coming out.
Yeah, it looks like smoke almost. It's dust.
And I'm going to tell you a fun fact about volcanoes.
Oh, please do.
Volcanoes are have lava that spews out, right? But it's not always called lava.
Yeah.
Right.
When it's inside the earth, it's called magma.
And then when it explodes out, we call it
Lava. So
it's got 2 names.
So it's got 2 names on it.
Love that.
Well,
Love
it's
that.
in-
That was a good one.
Yes.
Help pass the time while I'm next.
Yes.
Okay. You want to get it to a good consistency. You don't want it too watery because we're going to let this sit for, how long does it say here? 1 to 2 days. But you still want to make sure it's good and thick. Just keep mixing. You want to go ahead and bring our volcano thing over? Perfect. Hey Willow, could you go grab us a cookie sheet to put this on? Because we really don't want any to get on the table.
A cookie.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we've already got one.
You might need a cookie sheet, guys.
Yeah. Cookie sheet. I want to see this.
That'll work. It'll do. It'll do. Thank you, ma'am.
I got another fun fact for you guys.
Hit it with us.
Some very small islands are formed by volcanoes erupting underwater.
Yes.
And they come up to the surface and the lava hardens into a big island.
Yes.
So that's how some teeny tiny islands.
Right. That makes me think of that Disney short film.
Yes. I love you.
I love babies.
Make
Okay.
sure to check that short film
I
out.
think
Yeah.
it's ready.
I think it's ready. Yeah, it looks like it's the perfect consistency. Okay,
And we're gonna pour
let's get pouring.
Whoa!
Going in. Leakage.
It's very.
Whoa!
All right. So stay tuned for part 2. We've got to let this sit for about 2 days till it dries. So thanks for watching. Bye.
And make sure to subscribe.